Thank you, Madam Speaker. I thank the Honourable Member for this question, Madam Speaker. I refer the Honourable Member, I wish she read the regulations and the law in respect of this. If you read the public service regulations, it does say retirement age is 55. It also does say that you can recruit people beyond that age on a contractual basis. And government policy has been that it has recruited people over the age of 55, in particular when there's been specific skill sets that's required for that person to continue within the service. Thank you.
Thank you. Supplementary question, Honourable Aiyaz.
Supplementary question, Madam Speaker. Thank the Honourable Minister and Attorney-General for his response. The question I would like to pose is why are we appointing people from overseas to hold up permanent secretary positions when we have local who can fill up the positions of permanent secretaries? After all, government is advocating Fiji-made, so why not we look at our own products in terms of our human resources? Thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
I thank the Honourable Member for this question. Honourable Member normally asks very, very pertinent questions. In this instance, Honourable Member, I think, has not asked a pertinent question in the sense that we have merit-based appointments. We simply do not appoint people just because they're Fijian and they do not meet the criteria. The advertisement for the positions of the permanent secretaries is carried out by the Public Service Commission, which is an independent body, and they then assess independently the people who have applied and they appoint the best person for the job. And that's what we want. We want the best person for the job. As they always talk about service delivery, if we want service delivery, we also want service delivery. We want better financial management. We have to appoint the best person for the right job. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. Honourable Sayed-Khaiyum.
Supplementary question, Madam Speaker. I thank the Honourable Minister for the Civil Service for his response. But bearing in mind that people are our most important resources, the human resources are the most important resources in any country, and also supporting the theme of supporting Fiji-made, and also because civil service is one of the, I believe it's the biggest employer in Fiji. And having to retire people at 55, there is a huge loss of institutional knowledge, of institutional capacity. And we look around now, we can see that weakness in the civil service. It's because of the loss of these officers that at 55, any country at 55, the human resource, they are at its peak. And Fiji has, and the government has found it in their time.
Thank you. I now give the floor to the Honourable Minister to reply to the question.
Can I ask the question?
So,
Thank you. The time was taken up by that question. Therefore, that was the end of the second question, and I now go give the third question to and last question to the Honourable Prem Singh.
Thank you, Madam. This supplementary question. Would the Minister be able to inform this House today or by way of correspondence how many people beyond the age of 55 are employed either contractually or otherwise with the civil service?
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
Madam Speaker, the Honourable Member very well knows, he's been in Parliament before, that when you require statistical information, you need to give notice of that. Of course, we can provide that to you. There is a review, Madam Speaker, that's currently being carried out, and I'll address it in my ministerial statement later on. Thank you, Madam Speaker.